Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be comparing HeyGen with Synthesia and which one is actually feels more human-like. So let's get right into it. So both platforms are beginner friendly and they are easy. Just pick your avatar, paste your script and hit generate and that's it. But if I start with HeyGen, its drag and drop editor is a bit more intuitive, especially for quick social videos, and the real battleground is the realism. So it's pushing the envelope. Its avatar have more expressive faces, better eye movement, and subtle head gestures that feel surprisingly real. So its voice model carry better tone variation and even emotional inflections. You can really feel the message. If I talk about pricing, so it is expensive, a bit expensive if you ask me, like maybe with the pricing plans, but it offers more expressive avatar videos and templates. So if you see over here, the starting plan is free, but it can go to $39 per month, and that's depending on the features that you choose. Now, if I talk about Synthesia, so Synthesia is more of a corporate focused with its light-based setup, and it offers more than 160 avatars with smooth lip sync and professional presence, which is great for training videos. Its voices are clear and well-paced, but they sometimes sound robotic, especially in longer script. If I talk about pricing over here, it starts at around $30 per month for personal use and mainly geared towards business needs. As you can see over here, right now there's a discount going. You can get it for $18 per month, which is a starter package with limited features, and then it can go up to $64 per month, which was previously $89 per month. So this is a discount which is going right now, and you can compare the features on the website. I hope this video was helpful for you in comparing between these two AI. Thank you so much for watching.